One of those rare opportunities to own a 1955 Chevy 3100 Cameo pickup. Check your production numbers and you'll see they make very, very few Cameos. Less than 1,600 were made in 1955. A Cameo strictly means a big back window and a very custom and special fiberglass fleet side bed on the Cameo. This particular one was originally a V8, would have been a 265, has a 327 V8 in it now. It is running the 2-speed Power Glide transmission. It's been painted yellow and the color is actually quite nice and the paint job is very good. The chrome is in very good condition as well. It's running radial tires and the typical 6-lug half-ton Chevy bolt pattern. It sits on the original running gear. It does have a Chevy 10-bolt rear end. You can see how straight the lines are. Those fiberglass Cameo beds are just so neat. Rear bumper, just brand new and perfect, as are the rear taillight bezels. There's just so much chrome on these Cameos. You could buy a custom cab pickup in a step side that would have had similar amounts of chrome, but this fleet side fiberglass bed is what makes a Cameo so special. It's got big chrome dual exhaust tips on it, Chevy 10-bolt rear. The spare is still sitting underneath there, which is nice. Not only is it on leaf springs, but it does have additional shocks. This has been off the frame. It's a frame off restoration. Completely rust free, of course. All the glass is in perfect condition. The inside is a light yellow, which I'll show you momentarily. Chrome alternator. It's running an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb on that 327. Original factory gauges. The seat is brand new black vinyl. It's got a matching, you can see there the visors have never even been taken out of the plastic. The headliner is also new. It does have critical gauges for temperature and pressure. Again, it's a 2-speed Power Glide. You won't be disappointed in this Cameo pickup. 1955 Cameo 327 2-speed Power Glide. 303-339-0763.